Hi guys, a big wave from NNN Fitness Channel, low impact series. Are you ready to do this? Let's do this. Alright, disclaimer and waiver, warm up, 2 to 5 minutes. Please make sure to prep your body before all of our workouts. We want to avoid any injuries. And no equipment required for this workout. This is one of our gentler series, guys. And this is a great workout for anybody who's looking for something a little easier, perhaps a rest day workout, or perhaps you're a little bit more mature, perhaps you've got some recurring injuries, or perhaps you're just getting into fitness. And there's nothing wrong with that, guys. We want to help everybody of every single level. So first of all, guys, as we already said, do a warm-up, but we also like to do a little loosening up at the beginning of the video just to make sure that you have done at least some sort of level of warm-up, guys. Don't ignore those warm-up warnings or ideas at the beginning, because it's really important, guys, that you do get your body ready. Give it a little early warning, put my teeth in, early warning that it's going to work out, okay, guys? It's really important to get that body ready, have some water, take some relaxing breaths, that sort of thing, okay, guys? It's a 10 minutes workout, and today is going to be a little more intense than usual, guys, okay? Here we go, 45 seconds, 15 seconds rest. Let's do it. Down we go, and we are doing mountain climbers, okay, guys? So push-up position, driving the knee up to the chest, one leg in the other, keeping it going, and trying to do those knees as quick as you can. If you find these too strenuous, you can do what's called mountain climber pulls, where you just do the same position, same exercise, but just do it very slowly. That will still work your core, but we're trying to get that cardio going a little bit. You can see my shadow there doing star jumps for another video. Keep that going. And one leg and the other. Keep your back straight, keep your core tight. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Great job. Okay, guys, we'll start a second early for you. Try and give you a quick demonstration, perhaps with 1 rep. Now this one, guys, is a little different. We're going to do a back lunge into a front lunge. So combination move for this one. Step back, perform a lunge, step forward, perform another lunge on the same leg, then alternate. So a bit of thinking on this one. So we've got left leg back for a lunge, and we're going to step that left leg forward into another lunge with a little toe tap in between. So right leg goes back, right lunge, step up, tap the foot down, and then right lunge. It has been proven that doing an exercise that makes you concentrate more does burn more calories, okay? Don't ask me to explain the science of it, but there we go. So this one makes you think a little bit more, and it's giving you a bit of variety in your exercises. We like every workout to be slightly different than the last, to keep it fun and keep you guessing what we're going to be doing next. Most of the time, even Nat doesn't know what a workout's going to be before it comes to the time. All right, so we've got a side lunge coming up. 5 seconds. Here's a demonstration. Just like that. We've got a single side lunge. A little different than usual. If we've done these before, we usually do them side to side, but we're just concentrating on that one leg stepping in and out, and you got to push off that leg after each side lunge and step the feet back together. So you are doing a half a lunge with one foot and a half a lunge with the other, and you're going to do that 5 times and then change legs. So 5 on one side, 5 on the other. Keep that back nice and straight. Hopefully that one made sense. Okay, I didn't say 5 by 5 at the beginning, but you can see from the demonstration now. Okay, got a bit of a cold today. Okay, it's affecting my concentration. Focus. Right. So 5 on one side, 5 on the other, and alternate all the way through the round. And rest. Great job, guys. Don't forget that we tend to start our reps a second earlier than the round, so that you can see a quick demonstration before you start, so you don't have to watch the whole time. You could just do it as we go. Alternating knee lifts with an underhand clap. Off we go. There you go. So we start a few seconds early to make sure you see the move just before you get started. Guys, of course, if you don't want to hear my monotone voice in the background, or perhaps the music is not to your liking, then you can turn the sound off and just follow along and play your own music in the background, okay? I don't know about you, I cannot work out without some sort of music on. It's another reason why we do these videos without audio and we add the voiceover later. Other than I don't want to be going during the video. Anyway, but yeah, if you want to listen to your own music, turn the sound off, that's okay, guys. Fully understand. I like to have some music on, something that motivates me. But if you do like the voiceover, and hopefully I'll give you a few tips and ideas while you're doing the exercises to be a bonus to the workout, okay? If you're not learning, you're not growing. So always important to learn about these exercises and why we're doing them, okay? Feel free to ask questions in the comments, okay? We love those comments, by the way. We like to see comments below. If you've got something good to say, you got a question about an exercise, you want some advice or tips, if you leave us a great comment, by the way, we are running a little competition. We're going to be picking some of the comments, some of our favorite ones, and we're going to be offering those people an NNN online personal training session. So if you're interested in that, make sure you're making comments. So enough talking on that. Knee-ins, double leg knee-in. Taking the legs out, 6 inches off the floor, fully straight, pointed toes. Bring your knees in and lift your bum slightly, and that's going to work your lower abdominals. You got your arms straight either side, giving yourself a little assistance on the balance, and you can push through the hands, okay? Now just giving you a thumbs up because we are training with you guys, and if you're keeping up, you're doing really well, guys, okay? Here we go, round two coming up, okay? We do the 5 exercises twice through, so you get a first round and a last round. Nothing like hearing it's the last round. Mountain climbers, now can you go for it on these? Can you keep going all the way to the end? Okay, if we can, you can. You just got to commit to get fit, guys. You just got to keep at it. When you feel that burn, just push a little bit harder, keep going a little bit further, and you'll push that fitness up each time you train, okay? Don't quit just because it's becoming a little bit challenging. At the same time, of course, don't injure yourself, don't hurt yourselves, okay? And remember the disclaimer and waiver at the beginning. All right, guys, you work to your level. You want to push it a little bit, push your fitness up a bit. These are supposed to work you, and you can see Nat's tapping her stomach there, meaning that those mountain climbers will work your abs as well. Great core exercise, the mountain climbers, very much like a plank, but you're running at the same time, so that's great. Alternating back and front lunge. So, with the feet together, step back, put the ball of the foot down, make sure you've stepped back far enough that you can go down onto one knee. If you've got a padded floor, you can touch that knee down. If you haven't got a padded floor, if you're on wooden or concrete or anything like that, or even grass, I wouldn't suggest tapping your knee to the floor. Just get yourself nice and close to the ground. And you want to have that front leg down to 90 degrees, as deep as a squat would go each time. Hands on hips, back straight, core tight. And remember to alternate the legs each time to make sure they're nice and even. All the way down, all the way up, drive through the glutes. You should feel that in your whole leg on every rep, and try and make them nice and even. Good job, guys, okay? All right, really good demonstrations as well. 5x5 side lunge, to be clear on the exercise. I didn't add that extra information earlier. So side lunge, step out to the side and drive back up. All the way out, all the way back in. Step out, make sure the feet are square. You're going about double shoulder width. Stick your booty out, keep your back straight, keep your core tight, shoulders back. And Nadi's taking her hands into a prayer position, which is a way to have your hands, or you can have your hands on your hips in this one. I don't suggest behind your head. Put your hands on your hips or in the prayer position like she's holding here. Alternating one side to the other, all the way out, bring it all the way down. It's half a squat and half a split, guys. All that weight's going on that outside leg, it's bending, and you're driving up through your glute for each rep. 5 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Good. You keep going all the way to the beep, guys. We'll always start the exercise just before the start of the round and finish it just before the end of the round, because we're using a timer 45x15 as well. But when you hear the beep, so you're going to be doing that one next. When you hear the beep, that is when you begin. When you hear the beep, think about the fun you could be having with NNN Fitness Channel. That's right, okay? Alternating knee to chest, keep your back straight, underhand clap, or you can just tap your fingers together if you prefer. Lift those knees, keep your core balanced. Kind of like a standing mountain climber, this one. Good cardio, and also my mum's favorite exercise. Shout out to Mumsy, love you. Okay, alternating knee, she likes this one. All right, keep that back straight, keep those shoulders back. Hopefully you like it too. Bring the knee all the way up. Don't hunch, don't lean forward. Keep your back straight, lift that knee high. Great job, down to the floor, guys. We've got those knee-ins coming up. We're getting near the end of the workout now, so let's give it hell and make sure we go right for the beat, right to the end. Ready to do that. What Natty's doing now. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Feet all the way out to 6 inches off the floor. Use that abdominal control. Keep this movement slow, not jerking or fast. Bring the knees all the way up to the chest and lift your bum just a little bit to engage your core. You can see that little lift from the legs right at the top of the movement where the bent knees are. Hands either side, palms on the floor, push into the palms to help you balance. Make sure there's no tension in your neck and you're using your abs and a little bit of legs. Lots of control. We've got 10 seconds to go, guys. Keep it going. Okay, push yourself towards the end there. Be proud of yourself. Finish strong, as we like to say. And finish in 3, 2, 1. Awesome job, guys. Awesome job. Okay, let's have a couple of seated stretches while we're there. All right, guys, just sit, cross your legs, catch your breath for a minute. All right, now lean forward. Keep breathing. Keep it moving. All right, you've done great, guys. Look at that pump Natty's got on from that workout. See, guys, even these easier workouts or the gentler workouts are good for you too. Okay, knees apart, butterfly position, lean forward, hold your ankles, and just lean forward with the back straight. Maybe put your legs out in front. A lot of people, what they do is they repeat the same exercises and stretches a lot, guys. You can get repetitive strain. If you were to stretch your hamstrings, then they hurt the next day. Stretch your hamstrings, they hurt the next day. Stretch your hamstrings, they hurt the next day. Special tip, you're probably hurting your hamstrings with the same stretches that you're doing. So change it every day, guys. Mix it up, have fun, and we'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a great comment below for a chance to win our competition. Thanks, guys.